The union feels the court favored Nedbank, arguing that it issued the interdict without determining whether Nedbank had established the prima facie, which is the first step and a basic requirement needed before granting an interdict. In this case, the union alleges that the court overlooked the procedures and jumped to use the third step of balance of inconvenience.
And the fact that the judge used, the excuse of balance of inconvenience to rule in favor of the bank was simply a strategy to avoid having to deal with a legal point, and we find this pathetic. And this is actually also what we call intellectual corruption. Nobody should interfere in a collective bargaining process, but Namibian courts are interfering for no just reason. The interdict was also granted in contravention of Section 49 of the Labour Act, which is actually very clear, and this section calls upon trade unions to bargain in good faith.
The union fears that even if the workers will win the appeal, the bank will still lodge a second appeal, and workers will therefore still be vulnerable to prejudice.
But now our message to Mr. Lionel Matthew, who is the MD of Nedbank Namibia, is as follows. Please respect workers' rights and stop your childish and foolish games. Time is ticking. Nedbank is a hostile employer and workers are highly demotivated and demoralized. It is time for the workers, youth, and sympathizers to create pressure groups in Namibia to address these unacceptable conducts from our Namibian courts.
The union stated that last month the bank announced that they would invite different trade unions to make presentations and then choose their desired union. The union further stated that it's not acceptable as it's the right of workers to choose presentation of their choice.